December 21st, I officially begin my lock journey. We're sectioning. Okay, just drinking water is good. But currently sectioning. I can assure you that this my hair. I'm not bald. I'm nothing cut. It's the shape of my head. We have is it M now? M shaped head. See, my hair is fine. Many thanks to Thank You Hair products, and that's what we shall still continue to use after we lock our hair, because she has this lock collection. My front hair have grown. Let me take a picture. So the time is 6:53 after 1,000 breaks. We've only successfully twisted 3/4. 3/4 before we lock. I'm not sure we'll lock tonight. Well, we are twisting. 6:54 now. Boxing Day. We're going home. Move closer.
I should do what?
You heard me. Said move closer.
The mountain has come to Mohammed.
Yay! Halfway through locking my hair. Halfway came, more than halfway. This part has a red clip. Is the only part left to lock.
Okay, my phone with
you. Nope. Your phone isn't with me. Someone wants to blind me.
My issue is why demolish old structures when there are still expanse of untapped, undeveloped land. That strategy is just not different from, it's just like a town hall. So my office and your office are never far from each other.
Say it again.
355. Fuel don't finish. Fuel don't.
355.
Me, I go enter. We go enter.
355. The goal was 250. 355 logs. No wonder it was plenty. Thank you.
You can join them with time.
Nah, eventually they sold for us.
Yeah, but you see the ones that if I'm the one that lock it the next time, I'll join.
When they get pretty nice something.
Oh, sorry, you can loosen it or you can let it. So, welcome to the logs. Let me see how many I did for. Funny enough, your one is now smaller than Sarah. So, your hair is bigger, like your hair density.
So my veins.
No, not density. Your hair area. Surface area. Is it larger?
It's larger than you thought.
Yeah, it's larger than Sarah's one.
What she's trying to say is that your head is bigger than Sarah's. Technically. But she's trying to say it in a mild way. Technically.
Everything you're saying is on record. And I'm not going to put music over it. They're going to hear everything that you're saying.
Precious. Have you seen your wife? You are looking at her.
Say what you wanna say to me now.